Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. It is so wonderful to sit down and practice English with you again today. Today, we are going to learn how to talk to the people who live near us. We are going to talk about talking to a neighbor. Neighbors are an important part of our daily lives. A neighbor lives next door, across the hallway, or down the street. Sometimes, you see your neighbor in the morning when you leave your house. It is a wonderful opportunity to practice your English small talk. You do not need to have a long, difficult conversation. You just need a few simple, friendly phrases to say hello, ask about their day, or talk about the weather. In this lesson, we will listen to a simple story about Alex. Alex is outside his house today, and he meets his neighbor, Mr. Green. We will hear how they say hello, how they talk about their gardens, and how they build a friendly relationship using very basic English. As always, I am going to speak very slowly and very clearly. I will use simple grammar and easy words so you can relax your mind and listen with a calm heart. After the story, we will do our repeat after me speaking practice. Take a deep breath, let your shoulders drop, and let's begin. It is a bright Saturday morning. The sun is shining warmly, and there are no clouds in the sky. Alex is outside in his front yard. He is wearing an old gray t-shirt and comfortable blue jeans. Alex loves his front yard. Today, he is working in his garden. He has a small green watering can. He walks slowly from flower to flower, pouring water on the dry soil. He smiles as he looks at his beautiful red roses and bright yellow sunflowers. Working in the garden makes Alex feel very peaceful. Suddenly, Alex hears a sound. He looks up and looks toward the house next door. The house next door belongs to his neighbor, Mr. Green. Mr. Green is an elderly man with kind eyes and short white hair. He is wearing a large straw hat to protect his face from the sun. Mr. Green is holding a long black broom. He is sweeping the fallen brown leaves off his concrete driveway. Mr. Green stops sweeping. He sees Alex looking at him. He lifts his right hand and waves happily.
Good morning, Alex.
Mr. Green calls out in a loud, cheerful voice. Alex places his green watering can on the grass. He smiles warmly and waves back.
Good morning, Mr. Green.
Alex decides to walk closer to the wooden fence that separates their yards. Talking to neighbors is a great way to be friendly, and Alex wants to practice his English small talk today. Lex asks as he reaches the fence.
How are you doing today?
Mr. Green walks over to the fence too. He leans his broom against a post.
I am doing very well. Thank you, Alex. The weather is absolutely beautiful today, isn't it?
Alex agrees.
Yes, it is wonderful. It is very warm and sunny.
Mr. Green says, looking at Alex's front yard.
It is perfect for gardening. Your flowers look beautiful today, Alex. The red roses are very big.
Alex feels very proud. He spends a lot of time taking care of his flowers.
Thank you very much, Mr. Green.
Alex says happily.
I water them every morning. Do you have flowers in your backyard?
No, I do not have many flowers.
Mr. Green explains. He speaks clearly, which helps Alex understand every word.
I prefer to grow vegetables. I have tomatoes, green cucumbers, and sweet carrots in my backyard garden.
Alex says.
Wow, that is great. Are the tomatoes ready to eat?
Not yet.
Mr. Green smiles.
They are still small and green. They need more sunshine. They will be big and red next month. When they are ready, I will give you some.
Alex says.
Thank you, Mr. Green. That is very kind of you. I love fresh tomatoes.
The two men stand by the wooden fence for a few minutes. They talk about simple things. They talk about the neighborhood. They talk about a new grocery store that is opening down the street next week. Alex listens carefully. When he speaks, he uses short, simple sentences. He does not rush. Mr. Green is very patient and listens with a smile. Suddenly, a small, fluffy dog runs out of Mr. Green's front door. The dog is white with brown ears. It runs quickly across the grass, wagging its short tail. It stops near Mr. Green's feet and looks up at Alex. Alex laughs. He loves animals.
Hello there.
Alex says to the dog. He looks at Mr. Green.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Buddy.
Mr. Green says, bending down to pet the dog's soft head.
Buddy is 3 years old. He is a very friendly dog.
Alex says,
He is very cute.
Mr. Green looks at his watch on his wrist.
Oh dear. It is 11 o'clock already. Time flies when you are having a nice chat. I must go inside now, Alex. My wife is making lunch, and I need to help her in the kitchen.
Alex says politely.
Of course, Mr. Green, thank you for the conversation. It was very nice talking to you.
Mr. Green says, picking up his black broom.
It was wonderful talking to you too, Alex. Have a great day, and enjoy your gardening.
Thank you, Mr. Green. Have a nice lunch. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Alex. Bye-bye, Buddy.
Mr. Green says to his dog. Mr. Green and Buddy walk back across the driveway and go inside the house. The front door closes softly. Alex stands by the fence for a moment. He looks at the quiet street. He feels a warm sense of happiness inside his heart. Talking to a neighbor can sometimes make people feel a little bit shy or nervous, especially in a new language. But Alex realizes that it is just about being kind and sharing a few pleasant words. He did not make any complicated sentences. He just said hello, talked about the weather, asked about the garden, and met a cute dog. Alex walks back to the center of his yard. He picks up his green watering can and continues to water his yellow sunflowers. The sun is high in the sky now, and the day is beautiful. Alex looks forward to the next time he sees Mr. Green outside, because now he knows that having a good neighbor is a true blessing, and talking to them is easy. Now, my friend, it is your turn to practice your speaking. Small talk with neighbors is an excellent way to practice English in real life. I will say a useful, friendly phrase that you can use when you see your neighbor. I will pause, and you must repeat the sentence out loud in a clear, friendly voice. Let's practice together. How are you doing today? The weather is beautiful today. It is very warm and sunny. Your garden looks wonderful. Thank you for the compliment. Do you live next door? What is your dog's name? He is a very friendly dog. Have a wonderful afternoon. It was nice talking to you. Thank you for your kindness. See you next time. Have a nice lunch. Goodbye. Now, my friend, I am going to tell a short part of Alex's story again. This time, I will speak at a natural, slightly faster speed. Just relax your ears and listen to the natural rhythm of the language. Try to understand the whole scene without worrying about every individual word. Alex was working in his front garden on a beautiful Saturday morning when he noticed his neighbor, Mr. Green, sweeping leaves off his driveway next door. Mr. Green waved and called out a friendly morning greeting, so Alex walked over to the wooden fence to have a quick chat. They talked about the gorgeous, sunny weather and how perfect it was for the garden. Mr. Green praised Alex's big red roses, and then explained that he grows tomatoes and cucumbers in his own backyard. While they were chatting, Mr. Green's cute white dog, Buddy ran out to join them and licked Alex's hand. Around 11 o'clock, Mr. Green had to head inside to help his wife make lunch, so they said their polite goodbyes. Alex finished his gardening feeling incredibly happy that he had such a kind neighbor to practice his English with. You did a magnificent job today. I am so happy that you stayed and practiced your English with me until the very end of this video lesson. Chatting with neighbors is one of the most natural ways to build your daily conversational skills. As you saw with Alex, you don't need to discuss deep or complicated topics. Just saying hello, commenting on the weather, or asking about a pet is enough to make a wonderful connection. Every single phrase you practice out loud helps you become a more fluent, confident speaker. Be proud of your hard work today. Thank you so much for practicing with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If this lesson helped you feel more relaxed about starting a conversation with your neighbors, please click that like button right now. Your likes are very important because they help YouTube share my video lessons with other English learners all over the world. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who is also on their language learning journey. And if you want to keep expanding your vocabulary and speaking confidence with me every single week, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now, I have a quick question for you to practice your English writing in the comments section below. Do you know your neighbors? Are they friendly? Let me know below. I read every single comment, and I love reading your wonderful stories. Keep practicing, stay positive, and always remember to be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time, but you are doing fantastic. I will see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.